Yes, this is Yogeshkumar Rathod, very few amongst the highest degrees achiever in the world. Welcome you all to my lecture on Jeffrey Preston BEZOS. Jeff Bezos was born on 12 January 1964 in New Mexico, USA. He is known to be the founder of Amazon. He is executive CEO having maximum shares. Jeff Bezos is known to be very good in e-commerce and cloud computing company. It is Amazon is basically initially started with online books sellings and cloud computing. One partner is Lauren Sanchez, is partner of Jeff Bezos in the venture of establishing Amazon Inc. company. He was helped by his wife Mackenzie Scott. She is a novelist and philanthropist. Jeffrey Preston Bezos owns maximum shares in Amazon. It is 100% true. So please like and share my channel. My YouTube channel is Tech Yogeshkumar and Education Yogeshkumar. So please subscribe my YouTube channel Tech Yogeshkumar and Education Yogeshkumar. Jeff Preston BEZOS is the founder of Amazon company. He is holding maximum shares of the company. He is into e-commerce and cloud company, computing company. Sorry. Jeff Preston Bezos is having a partner, Lauren, and wife, Mackenzie Scott. Mackenzie Scott is a novelist and philanthropist. Jeffrey Preston Bezos hold maximum shares in Amazon company. I'll give you more information later. Thanking you.